Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, energy boosting, nutritious, low fat smoothie using kale as one of my main ingredients. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, I would love to hear from you. So do leave a positive comment. Also hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss the next video. I'm just going to quickly run through the ingredients of this delicious, healthy, low fat, energy packed smoothie. Now firstly, here I have some kale. Now kale is full of vitamin A, B, C and K. It also low in carbohydrates. It has a lot of calcium. It has low calories. It has a lot of potassium and antioxidants. Grapefruit is low in calories and high in nutrients. It has weight loss benefits. It improves your heart health and is high in antioxidants. Then also I have my ginger here. Now ginger is also high in antioxidants. It prevents nausea and morning sickness. It reduces muscle pain, menstrual pain and lowers blood pressure. Also I have the banana here. Banana is a good source of potassium. It's a good source of vitamin C. It helps maintain a healthy gut and full of fiber. And also I have some organic honey here. If you notice, there's nothing on this, no label on it. This is the real deal, organic honey. It prevents allergy, boosts energy, it fights cough and controls your blood sugar. I'm also going to use a tiny bit of water and some ice which I have here. In the interest of time, I'll prepare my ginger already. So I'm going to use 2-time bananas. Right, next I'm gonna add the kale. Now this is a grapefruit. I'm not gonna use all of this grapefruit. I'm just gonna use a half of the grapefruit. I'm just gonna remove the outer bit. What I'm gonna do now is just to add some ice. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some honey. Right, everything is now in the jug, so I'm just gonna blend everything out now. It's all done. Look at this, how delicious it looks. I can't wait to taste it. As you can see, I'm really enjoying this drink. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe. Goodbye.